Ekal firmly believes that Bharat, that is India, can become prosperous only when the villages of India become prosperous. With this in mind, Ekal's mission has been to strengthen the villages and empower its residents economically, socially, and culturally. In 1988, Ekal started its journey from Jharkhand with the objective of providing literacy in tribal communities. Over the period, this evolved into the Panchamukhi education program or the five-fold education, providing primary education, healthcare, development, empowerment, and cultural education. In far-flung areas of India where no one comes to the aid of the underprivileged society, Ekal schools with one teacher given birth to many success stories. Today, there are more than 102,000 Ekal Vidyalayas in 27 states. Based on volunteer model, Ekal is able to run such schools at very low cost of $365 for full year. Ekal schools have a unique and well-researched pedagogy and curriculum. The goal is to cultivate all-round development of students. Ekal has recently moved towards digital mode, providing tablets in some schools and also through mobile computer vans moving from village to village and computer labs at its Gamothan centers. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Ekal has its one teacher schools in 1525 villages and 1915 villages respectively. In Andhra Pradesh, a computer training lab is being operated in Mudiguppa in Anantapur. In Telangana, 2 mobile computer vans are presently operating which go from village to village. Another van will be operational soon. A skill development center is also coming up in Telangana. Face masks are already being made in Telangana and distributed free to villagers and others in need. Since March this year, Ekal was very active in joining the fight against COVID. More than 2.4 million face masks made at Ekal training centers and its satellite centers are arranged by volunteers have already been distributed. Thousands of liters of sanitizers and soaps have also been distributed. Ekal's fight against COVID-19. Food packets distributed 2,374,877 persons. Ration packets distributed 581,424 families. Cow feeding 203,074 cows and 33 trucks fodder. Face masks distributed 2,423,252. Distribution of hand wash soaps 49,156. Distribution of herbal sanitizers 75,000 persons. Distribution of PPE kits 500. Distribution of hand gloves 500. Distribution of awareness pamphlet 49,156. Another important task undertaken was to check the entry of outsiders into their villages to ensure that newcomers, including returning migrant workers, could not enter without being tested and quarantined if necessary. The urban volunteers also played a critical role in Ekal's first against Corona. Apart from financial support to help the activities in villages, they distributed food and ration packets to needy people in urban areas. They helped migrant workers in cities to return to their native villages. They also arranged for fodder for cows. Ekal has always been at forefront of supporting and providing relief to communities in its area of operation. Once again, Ekal is trying to do its best to fight the dreaded COVID virus.